Russia withdraws from Black Sea Grain Initiative. Russia recently pulled out of the Black Sea Grain Deal, which was launched to mitigate food inflation caused by conflict in Ukraine. The Black Sea Grain Initiative was an agreement between Russia and Ukraine with Turkey and the United Nations. It sought to create a safe passage of food grains exported from Ukraine, which is currently in war with Russia. Under this agreement, export of grain, food and fertilizers will be allowed to resume from Ukraine via a safe maritime humanitarian corridor from 3 key Ukrainian ports, i.e., Chornomorsk, Odessa, and Yuzhny Pivdeny. A Joint Coordination Center, JCC, having representatives from signatories of the Black Sea Grain Initiative was set up to implement this deal. Why was the deal signed? Ukraine exports around 45 million tons of grain to the global market each year. However, after Russia launched military campaign in February 2022, Ukraine was left with large amount of grain stored in silos unable to be transported to other parts of the world. This has severely affected the global supply of grains. With the energy prices and food prices increasing because of the conflict, many countries, especially those in Africa, were at the brink of famine. The Black Sea Grain Initiative sought to address these issues. By mid-September, over 3 million tons of cargo left Ukraine under this deal. About 51% of the total cargo was corn, 25% was wheat, 11% sunflower products, 6% rapeseed and 5% barley. The rest of the cargo included soybeans and other food commodities. About half of the total cargo went to high-income countries like Spain, Netherlands, Korea, Germany, Ireland and Israel. India received 4% of the total wheat exports from Ukraine since the war broke out. What is the current status of the Black Sea Grain Initiative? Black Sea Grain Deal was set to expire on November 19, 2022. The renewal negotiations were led by